Namaste everyone, thank you very much for checking out this video. In this video I'm going to show you an application which has been developed on Angular 10 and Django, which is one of the frameworks of Python, has been used for controlling the database of this application. Now how this application works, let me just show that to you. So it's a very basic application, not that complex. If a person has to add a department, so he can come on departments, and here he will get to see a screen like this. Now he can click on add department and then he can add a department to the database. So let's add a department with name, let's make it admin. Okay, so I have added a department, and as you can see, a message has got popped up on the top which says added successfully. So with this pop-up, the user will get the confirmation that the department has been added successfully in the database. So you can see here the results are getting reflected, and then we can come on employees, and here the user can add the employees of his company or of his organization to the departments he has created over here. So how the employees add details screen looks like, let me just show that to you. So when the user will click here on add employee, a pop-up screen like this will come. So I have used Bootstrap for creating this beautiful pop-up screen. Here he can enter the name of the person he would like to add to his organization. So I am putting my name for now, and then he can select the department. Suppose you want to send him to the admin department. If he wants to add him to the admin department, he can simply select admin from this drop down, and then he can select the date of joining from here. So let's say it is 23/7/2022. Now let us add a photograph of the employee to the database, so that is how he can do it easily. Now let's hit this add button. So added successfully, it means that the data has been successfully added to the database. So you can see here the data is getting reflected over here also, right? Coming back to departments, if a person wants to uh, you know arrange these departments in descending order, he can just click here on this button. So sorry, in ascending order. For ascending order he can use this button, and for arranging the departments in descending order by their names, so he can use this button, right? Similarly, if he wants to arrange the department IDs in ascending order, he can use this button. For descending order he can use this button, right? So that's how this application works. In case the user wants to edit the details of any employee, or if he wants to make some changes over here in this department's screen, he can simply use this edit option. And then suppose he want to change it to admin 2. Okay, if he has to change the department's name from admin to admin 2, he can simply do it like this. So updated successfully, and you can see here the name of the department has been changed from admin to admin 2. Fine. And same thing can be done here also. He can select admin 2 and let us update the admin department. Okay, so that's how the thing goes in this platform. If he has to delete anything from here, he can simply click this delete button. Are you sure? So yes, I'm sure. I would like to delete this data. So delete it successfully. So you can see I've deleted the data successfully from the database, right? Similarly, I can do the same thing here also. I can delete any department which is getting reflected over here. So see, that's the way this platform works. Now I would like to show you some coding things which I have used for coding this platform. So I'm going to share the link of the project in the description section of this video. So in case you want to try this project, or so you can just click that link. It will redirect you to a GitHub repository from where you can download the project, and then you can install the required dependencies, and you can then run the project on your local machine. Okay, so as I've told you, Django is the one which is controlling the backend, and this is these are all the things I have used here in this settings.py file. So this is the code I have used for uploading and downloading the photographs. This is a code with the help of which I am able to upload the photographs and I am able to save them in the database. Then there is something called course headers. So if you are working with Django REST framework and you are using Angular as a front end, so this is the thing you have to install, and then you have to put this inside installed apps. Right, this is the name of our application which I have created here inside Django project, and REST framework I am using, so that is the reason I have used I need to put REST framework over here. I have put REST framework over here. Then we have these middleware, so this is for messaging, right? This is contributing to the authentication part, and this is for X-frame options. Okay, then we can come down. I think that's the only thing I have added to this settings file. Then in this urls.py you can find the URLs I have defined for connecting my project folder to the applications files. So this will redirect the interpreter to this urls.py, where it will find all the URLs. Right, so this is for these are the URLs which are helping the interface in accessing the department's data from the database. These two are the ones which are helping the platform in accessing the data of the employees which is there in the database, and this is for saving the data. Right, this is the one which is actually helping the platform in reading the image based data, the images which gets uploaded by the user. So these are all the images which have been uploaded till now, and you can see here all the images are present in this media named folder. Coming back to the platform, so this is the platform, and now let me just tell you the thing which is handling the front end of this platform. So it is Angular 10, as I've told you in the beginning, right? And that's the whole code I have defined for Angular 10. So inside it you can see we have this application folder, inside which we have two components, one with name department and the other with name employee. So employee is the one which is handling this part of the application, and department is the one which is handling this department's portal. So if you know about Angular JS, if you have worked on Angular, definitely you will be able to understand each and everything I have done here. So Angular JS gives us the benefits, gives us different types of benefits. With Angular JS you can define different types of components. So basically when we work using HTML on Django, it becomes really difficult for us to define the entire code inside one HTML file if it is a one page application. So what we do, we use Angular for handling the front end, and we then divide the problem into different components. We then create different components for different things we identify when we bifurcate the problem into different parts. Okay, that's what happens in Angular 10. So if you want to learn these types of technologies, you can please contact me on my number which is getting reflected just below here, right on your screen. You can see it. Just give me a call. I'm available on WhatsApp also on this number. So that's it from my side. And before ending the lecture, let me just show you the database also. So you can see here the table name. There is a table named employees in which I have this data, and then there is a table. There is again another table in which I have the employee ID, employee name, right? So this is the employees table, okay, in which I have the data which is coming from this employees portal. Okay, so this is how the application is working. So I have used Angular 10 for front end, Django for controlling the backend, and SQLite as a database for this application. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, take care, and very good afternoon. Bye.